Hi, good day, ladies and gentlemen. We meet again. I'm Wenda George, your chef of the day in Loretta Cooking Studios, Berhad, and nice to meet you. So, what we're going to prepare today? Oh, we're going to prepare very simple, easy, affordable, and very delicious recipe. Can you guess what? Huh? What is it? Yes, exactly. It's chicken popcorn and our special sauce, the butter cheese sauce. So, come. Okay, first of all, what you did is about 500 grams of chicken breast, okay, about 2 cups of breadcrumb, and whole egg. And for the marination, we need the salt and pepper, as well as the corn flour. First of all, we need to mix the ingredients and marinate it for about 10 minutes to make sure all the taste is well combined and make it tastier. Put in the salt, about half teaspoon, and the black pepper powder, about 1 teaspoon, and we mix it well until the salt dissolves. Okay. We put in about 1 tablespoon of corn flour, or you can use the tapioca starch. As I mentioned earlier, you need to marinate it about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Before we coat it with the breadcrumb, before we deep fry it. Okay, we are right back, and the next process after the marination that we need to coat the chicken bite-sized popcorn and put it on the flour. And we coat it with the breadcrumb, add on more oil, okay, one by one to make sure it doesn't stick together. And that's what we call chicken popcorn, where the kids as well as the adult gonna love it very, very much because the taste is easy to be enjoyed by everybody. Okay, looks like it already turned into golden brown. How crispy it is. Now I'm preparing the butter cheese sauce, which is very, very easy to prepare. As you can see, here's the ingredients: the sliced cheese, okay, the salted butter, about 2 or 3 cubes, about 1 cup of milk, and mixture of salt and pepper. Okay, let us start. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is you simmer the fresh milk. Butter. Make sure the butter melts before we put in the sliced cheese. And then we put about 3 slices of cheese. You can use the cheddar cheese, but I prefer to put 4 or maybe 5. Yeah, it's actually up to you. But if you're a businessman, if you want to sell this, you better make a calculation and have your own standard recipe. Why not come here at Loretta Cooking Studios in Berhad and learn with us? Yeah, okay, look at that. Okay, control the fire, slow it down. Since the butter is already salty, I just put a little bit of salt and pepper, just for the taste, not to make it become saltier, but just nice to be eaten with the chicken popcorn. Okay, we turn off the fire because we don't want to burn the sauce. We just want to make sure it's mixed well and thick. Hi, we meet again, and now it's time to test our chicken popcorn at the 6 type of sauces that we prepared earlier. Okay, do you want to try? We will try this. The butter cheese sauce, the spicy butter sauce, the tartar sauce, the Thousand Island, and then the lemon honey sauce, and also the mustard onion sauce. Okay, all the sauces are very suitable with our chicken popcorn. Let us try. Do you want to try? I can hardly wait to try it. Which sauce? I have 6 types of sauces here. Why don't we try the cheese sauce? You want to see my reaction? So crispy, crunchy, and super yummy. Okay. Bye bye. See you again.